Hello guys, welcome back after a long time. Today here in this video I am going to show you how to extract the splitted vendor or system images which are usually seen in QFIL firmwares. Here is an example of Vivo V71. Here is a firmware. We have something like cache underscore 123. These are splitted images. Sparse splitted images. Similarly system images. These user data images. And finally vendor images. Your device may have some other images too, don't worry. So I've extracted this firmware here. We need a tool called pack sparse img version 1.1 to unpack vendor images. Older version can unpack system images. So here is the firmware. You have various binaries for different architecture and operating systems. If you are a Windows user and having 32-bit operating system, you should use this file. And if you are a Windows user with 64-bit OS, then you can use this file. Similarly, Windows users, Linux users have different architecture based binaries. Use whatever you want. So we should just simply extract this file here. Mine is 64-bit AMD device, so I am using this. Password is INNFINITE for EVR. File was already there, so I just skipped it. So after extracting, just open the terminal in this current working directory. Copy the file name. Space -h. Linux users may need to chmod it to change the permissions and make it executable, which will be just like this. Chmod 0644 file name. Those are the octal permissions, and make it executable. Chmod +x file name. And now execute this file /file name space -h. This will show the usage parameters of this binary file. Output directory, you can specify output directory with O flag. You can specify which image you want to extract with the T flag. It will accept string data. And with X you can specify which XML file to load. If you don't know what to use this, just extract this binary in your QFIL firmware folder. It will automatically take it by default. It is raw program underscore unsparse.xml file. Here in this example I will extract the vendor image. So just specify with T space -t space vendor. So as you can see here, I am having various vendor images up to 13, I guess. Vendor, we want to combine this in vendor.file. This file is from older usage. After running this command, it will combine all those into a raw file which we will extract later. You can extract this raw file with whatever tool you want, but for my convenience I am using this file so that Windows users will also get to know how to do this. Linux users need Wine to run Windows executable files on their PCs, and just copy this file name. Again, you need to make this file executable with proper permissions like we did to pack sparse img binary. Img extractor.exe-h -h. IMG extractor version 1.3.4 extractor for images in ext3 for two formats. We will specify the image we want to extract, that is vendor.raw. Now this will simply extract this raw file into a folder for us. Open image vendor.raw successful. The extracted folder will be somewhere here. the bottom in this present working directory. See, here it is. Let's wait for it to get extracted. Extract finish success. Press enter to continue. Found to not see sibling files. You can also make flashable zip out of this using Super Kitchen or maybe whatever tool. So here is the data from vendor.img. So as you can see, this is an example of Vivo device with 8.1.0 firmware. Maybe it's trouble. We can't find the data here, I guess. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like.